What's up, guys? We are down here at Country Cascades. It's been a few years since we've been here. It was real nice. You guys go back and check out that video, but first watch this one because this is going to show a lot of the remodeling that they've done since we were here last. You can see back behind me, this is a new indoor area, indoor water park area. But right for now, guys, we're just going to go and get checked in and start getting things hauled in, check out the rooms. So come with us. You can see from the outside, but we'll see even better on the inside. Walk in the door, they got the Christmas stuff up. It's a nice sitting area there. A real nice area. Popcorn. And all the candy and stuff. Oh my goodness, I need to stay away from here. Look at this. Yeah, I need to stay away from here. This looks good. Candy apples. Wow. I end up gaining 30 pounds on this trip. Check out this area over here. It's kind of a kids area. Rock climbing. Very nice. I like the way they got this set up here. This is the pizza place. There's Scoops. This is the ice cream place here. Yeah, we'll probably have to check them out here. Let's look at the pizza. Here's the menu. Burgers. Okay, guys, while we are here, it's a nice hotel, at least so far. I'm not showing you everything yet, but I did want to take some time right here to talk about one of the negatives that I don't like. One of the things I don't like. Just a little bit of a negative, nothing major. But what it is, this is a cashless hotel. They do not take cash here. That is something you need to be aware of. If you come down, you need to use a debit card, credit card, or whatever you're going to be using to pay with. But what it is now, we have got some food ordered. We're going to try a couple of one of their pizzas. We've got a sandwich and things like that. I'm going to show you here as well, just to see, just try it out. And I don't see any reason why it shouldn't be good, but I guess we'll find out. I know before, when we had the breakfast here back in there, again, this was a few years ago before they did all the renovation, the breakfast was great. I mean, it was a real good breakfast, so I would say that this will be fine as well. And just to give you guys an idea on the pricing, you can see here, fried chicken sandwich, $17. Personal pan pizza is a 7-inch, it's $10.99. Got a Supreme, and we got drinks. You can see the cost of the water there. You're actually better off getting just a Coke instead of the Smart Water. But they do have some things if you want to get a 24-hour thing. We did not get one, but anyways, this, you can see kind of the prices here, the total for all of this. All right, here is the personal pan. It's a pepperoni. This is, I think, the chicken sandwich. Open that up and check it out, see how it is. And then here we have got the pizza. So let's just go ahead and pop the top to see what this looks like. Now, this is the Supreme, and it does look good. So we're definitely going to be checking it out. Alright, guys, here's a little better view of that chicken sandwich. I'll have to say that does look pretty good. But I'll let my daughter test that out. The boy's heading on down into his, and me and the wife fixing to head into ours. Alright, guys, just to tell you, the pizza is good. I'll have to say, it is a real good pizza. And it is reminiscent of what Pizza Hut used to be many years ago. For you folks that are my age, you probably remember how good those pizzas used to be before they started changing the recipes. But it's a real good pizza. Here is the arcade. It is located on second floor. You can just see some of the stuff they got here. I know that this will be something that'll be tried out later. You can see here they got a lot of games. Fortunately for us, we are here when they're not very busy. A lot of stuff up here. Just check this out over here. The bowling alley. Just some of the other stuff that they've got. Again, guys, this is just a quick walkthrough of everything. I'm sure that there will be some further detailed stuff in the near future as part of this video, so be sure to stick around. I'm impressed, guys. A lot of cool stuff, and you know, they've made a lot of changes since we were here years ago, and but we're fixing to head out on town. But you're not going to know that because you're just going to see more of the country Cascades. However, if you are interested in seeing some of the other things that we do down here during this trip, be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow along. Here inside the arcade, this is something that we just happened to stumble across. They have got this laser game, basically like a laser tag or whatever, a laser maze. You can see the laser maze there. It's right here. And there again, it's one of the many things that they got inside the arcade. It's this whole area here. One of the things that they've got right here is gem mining. Actually, you can do that right here in the lobby of the hotel. So that's a pretty cool little thing. Activity, they got all kinds of stuff in here. Some more stuff they've got outside. Got the trees lit up. Can't really see it in the video right now, but they do. Very cool. Not really going to show anything much inside the water park area because I don't want to be in there filming kids and stuff like that. But you know, just a couple clips. But it is a lot of fun. We did have a lot of fun in there. And now we're just going to go out and get something to eat. Another thing they have here is a little workout area. Cardio studio. A couple of exercise things. Water fountain. It's not much, but it's a nice little thing. Want to get a quick workout in, just right here at the hotel. Especially after eating some of the food that they got down here in the Smokies and, you know, the candy downstairs. All right, it has been a while since we've been here. I needed to jump on here real quick, guys, to first of all apologize. The video that I had gotten showing the room apparently got corrupted, so it was completely unusable. But what I did want to do is to tell you a little bit about it. Now, the first thing about the rooms themselves is they were clean. I know that that is something that a lot of folks often wonder about when visiting any hotel. And in the video that I recorded, or at least tried to record, I actually went into the bathroom and went around the toilet and everything, trying to show you guys just how clean the room was. It was immaculate clean. And, you know, the room also, another thing about it, everything in there looked very new, even though I know that it isn't. It's been, you know, been there for a couple of years, but everything did look fairly new. Now, I do have a negative. And it could just be the room that we had, the TV that was in the room, and there again, we didn't spend much time watching television, but it is something that I noticed that I wanted to pass along to you guys. The color on that TV, that thing was extremely messed up. And there, I mean, it's just, you could tell that it looked like the TV is about ready to go out, which, you know, that happens. I mean, you think about some of these hotel TVs, they don't buy necessarily the best thing on the market, and there's something that gets used continually and things like that. But again, if you go to a place like this, you're not necessarily going to sit in the room and watch TV anyways. But I do want to show you, and this is on their website, just to show you some of what the rooms look like. Again, this is a terrible way of doing it, guys, and I really hate doing it, but you do have several options. You know, the room that we had did not have the bunk beds. It was just a standard 2 queen bed, and it was fine.
This is a treasure hunt activity, and that's another thing about it. I mean, they had activities and stuff just all over the place. And I mean, just a ton of stuff that you can do. You can see the different suites there, balcony suite, mountain view balcony suite, just a ton of stuff. I mean, I can't really go into it and give you a better understanding of that. I mean, over on their website does show you a little bit of how the rooms look.
Guys, that is the review of Country Cascades. It's a cool place, a lot of fun. But I hope you liked the video. Check out all the videos on my channel. Please like and subscribe, share the video, check out the links down below, and we'll see you next time.